Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Honda CRV cabin filter. First, park on level ground, set the parking brake, and open the glove box to access the filter compartment. Remove the glove box stops, lower the box, and unclip the filter cover. Slide out the old filter, note airflow direction, insert the new filter correctly, reassemble the cover, lift the glove box back, and test airflow from vents. Begin by gathering a Phillips screwdriver, a small flat pry tool, replacement cabin filter, and gloves. Confirm the replacement part matches your vehicle model and the airflow arrow is visible. Work in a well-lit area and keep small screws in a tray. When removing the old filter, inspect the housing for leaves or debris and vacuum if needed. Maintain firm but gentle pressure when seating the new filter to avoid deformation. Start by emptying the glove box and lowering it fully to expose the filter housing. Unclip the filter cover and slide out the old cabin filter, watching the airflow arrow orientation. Clean any visible debris or dust from the housing before inserting the replacement. Seat the new filter snugly with the arrow pointing toward the blower motor, reattach the cover, lift the glove box back into place, and confirm smooth opening and closing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.